let's install Flutter now. So let's start by typing download Flutter for Windows in our browser. Then let's click on the Windows install link. You can see that all the documentation is here. So now let's just click on this Flutter Windows button and save the Flutter SDK. It's gonna take a few minutes to download, so be patient. The next thing we need to do is extract the file. So let's right-click on it and click on Extract All. To select the destination, click on Browse. You can save it anywhere you want, but I'd personally prefer to save it to the C drive and then click on Select Folder, followed by Extract. Of course, it's gonna take a little while, so be patient. After the extraction, we need to set the path of Flutter in the system variables. So let's go to the flutter/bin folder and copy the path. Now in the Start menu, search for Edit the System Environment variable and open it. Click on Environment Variables, then double-click on Path. Click on New and paste the path which we've copied earlier. Once you're done, go ahead and click on OK, OK, and OK once again. And we're done installing Flutter SDK. In the next video, we are gonna set up the emulator.